Alright, it's Monday morning, the 19th of December, 1:20 a.m., the night before the big storm. What I'm showing here is a map of all the Weather Service highlights that are in effect, and the red is the blizzard warning. So for Dodge, we're on this kind of the eastern edge of the blizzard warning area there in red. It extends all the way to the Colorado border and southwest into northeastern New Mexico. Okay, what we're looking at here is a water vapor loop. About a 5-hour loop here. Center of the low is right over just to the southwest of New Mexico, and very good area of enhanced cloud development occurring ahead of the low now in eastern and central New Mexico. And that spin area there, zoom in, that spin area of vorticity just to the west of El Paso now is going to be moving northeast towards West Texas by morning and midday tomorrow, and that's when the fun will really start here in southwest Kansas. What you're looking at here now is a loop of the high-resolution 4-kilometer WRF mesoscale model showing the hourly simulated reflectivity pattern from the of the storm that's going to be ejecting out on Monday night. The first initial wave of precipitation will reach Dodge City probably about 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It does appear that there's going to be a couple hours of sleet and rain, perhaps mixed, then eventually changing to a snow and sleet mix by about 3 o'clock in the afternoon or so, before changing over to all snow, probably right around the 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock time frame. There may be 2 waves of precipitation, at least heavy precipitation. The first being that initial wave that comes up that's going to probably be half sleet, half snow. It really is yet to be determined how much of that first wave is going to be snow and how much snow we can get out of that. Then there might be kind of a brief lull, as the mesoscale models seem to suggest. A brief lull, and then activity picks up again late in the night, and that's when the real show will probably be, is during the overnight hours. So just how much precipitation is going to fall, and then how much of that is going to be snow, that's the big question still for Dodge City. This is a 6-hour precipitation map from that same mesoscale model that I showed with the looping reflectivity there just a moment ago. This is the amount of precipitation from noon Monday until 6 p.m. Monday evening, and this indicates about a ½ inch to perhaps up to 3/4 of an inch of precipitation over Dodge City, even heavier down to the south. Then after 6 o'clock, that main big wave moves off to the east into eastern Kansas, as you can see here. And then this wave right here, it moves off to the northeast. Then with the upper low itself, another round of precipitation and in the form of mainly snow at this point over the Texas Panhandle will move northeast. And then that will be what moves into Dodge City during the overnight hours. So this is the accumulated precipitation, mainly in the form of, actually it will be in the form of snow, from midnight late tomorrow night until sunrise Tuesday morning. It's showing about a ½ an inch of precipitation. So when you add them all up, you get roughly 1 4/10 inches of precipitation, total precipitation for Dodge City from this one model. And if about 3/10 of that ends up being in the form of sleet, that's still about 1 inch or so of snow, of precipitation that will be in the form of snow, which would equate to about up to 10, 11, perhaps 12 inches of snow. It still appears that the best chance of that will be just northwest here, where it will be less sleet, especially towards Cimarron, Garden City, even as close as Jetmore up north of here. They may see a little bit more snow than us, simply because they won't see as much sleet as we will in Dodge. At least that's the way it looks now. That's the big key. So tomorrow afternoon, I'll be watching that real closely, see how much of that that early wave of heavy precipitation is actually snow versus sleet.